Good morning, everyone. It feels like it's a month since we started the class. Well, in a way, we have now covered more than what we should have covered in a month in a regular semester. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. They also appear on the Canvas calendar. Hope you're having a good weekend. We're entering week 3 of this very fast-paced intersection class. There are some items I want to call your attention. So here we go. Please take a look at the calendar below. This week, the following assignments are due. Cultural Geography News discussion number 3 will be available tomorrow, Monday, January 13th, and it is due Friday, January 17th by 11:59 p.m. Map quiz number 3, Europe, Russian Federation and Central Asia is available Monday, 1:13. It's actually already available. And it's due Saturday, January 18th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 2 will be available Wednesday, January 15th, and is due Saturday, January 19th by 11:59 p.m. Key concept questions for chapters 5 through 8 are available Tuesday, January 14th, and they are due Saturday, January 1st, January the 18th by 11:59 p.m. Exam number 2 will cover chapters 5 through 8. Will be available Wednesday, January 15th, and is due Sunday, January 19th by 11:59 p.m. A few other reminders. Remember that in a fully online class, I take attendance by checking whether you have logged in or not. In this very condensed intersession, you must log in on a daily basis. Please read the instructions for the assignments carefully. The main reason why students lose points is because they don't follow directions. I am grading your assignments as they are posted. It takes a while, but I will try and keep up. I'm going to make sure that the first assignments are graded, so when you submit the next assignment, you know the expectations I have for such an assignment. The intersection is very fast-paced for me as well. Just want to point out that this is not on the written part yet, but many of you are missing reflection number 1. I think about 15 of you are missing reflection number 1. Please make sure you submit them as soon as possible. The further away from the deadline that you are, the more points you will lose. Anyway, this is the nature of the intersection, a flurry of materials and assignments in a short period of time. Hope you're having a nice weekend. Best, Samuel Cortez.